Hello everyone. So we have got another song and music video by Kim Tae-young, Lovely V. He actually went live today, and in the music video, apparently that isn't Yotan. Like it was another dog, because he couldn't take it to Spain, which is totally understandable. Like, I get it. I am really looking forward to this song and music video, so let's jump straight into it. If you're new here and you like what you see from me, then please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to stay notified when I upload. I have reacted to BTS a bunch in the past, so if you want to see those videos, then go click up on the cards. But without further ado, let's get it. Oh whoa! Oh whoa! Oh, that was a text message. Did you guys hear that?
Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew.
I'm sorry, but it actually has been raining today as well, so this is actually pretty nice.
Find the way right back to you. On rainy days like staring at my phone, I gauge, hoping for your call.
Did you see the birds?
I've been on my own, maybe. 이젠 지난 일을 만나. Time with you was so amazing. Haven't changed, I'm still the same. 늦었지만 우리 다시. Can we go back to the moment?
I know it's not his dog, but it's cute.
I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you, what to say. Wish I knew how to find the way right back to you. On rainy days like.
Oh wow. Look at that smile.
Remember how I
was
used
that a
to
tear?
make you laugh the most. 내가 이런 말할 자격 없어도 let me make up for all the time we lost. We can start again, open all the doors. Don't tell me it's over, we can start it over. 너는 나의 내 clover. Yeah, I can feel your touch, I remember your kiss.
They remind me of Jimin.
그 말은 아팠지 and I miss you. Rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
He's joined an alien?
Rainy days like rainy days, I'm thinking about you. What to say, wish I knew how to find the way right back to you.
Oh, also, Tay said in the live stream today that took one take, like he just drew it in one take. Like, that's so cool.
Rainy days like.
Do you know those type of people that put... You know those type of people that put rain over songs? I really hope someone does this with this one. I would listen to this on a lovely day like it is today. Like, today is very gloomy and rainy. Like, this song, just in your room, with the window open. Oh, that'd be perfect. Wow, I sincerely loved that. In my opinion, Tay is just a musical genius. I really love his music. The talent on him is really nuts. This is beautiful. But that was my reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed. We can have a chat about this. What did you guys think? I'll see you for whatever else Tay decides to upload. Thank you guys. Bye bye.